Hi, in this video I will show you how to recover a Monopoly Go account. So let's head over and click on play right here in order to open our Monopoly Go. So if you have not yet logged in, you can head over right here to your three lines and then click on this connect or login. So if your actual Monopoly Go is connected to your Google Play Center or your Game Center on iOS, then you can actually log it in already. So for example, let's head over and then click on this manage account. You can head over and then sign in using Google. So click on the sign in with Google right here. So you can also sign in with contacts, with email, or with friends right here using your Facebook. So what you can do is you can just head over and then make sure to connect your actual account to friends on Facebook and to Google Play, onto your contacts and into your mail in order to recover it first. Now, once you have connected those, you should be able to recover your account from there. So I hope this helped you a lot.